Yoni go to me, yoni go lewe, yoni sa yoni. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen Ika. This channel is all about getting creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a rose box, and just not an ordinary rose box, an African themed rose box. So over the years, we've been seeing rose boxes being made everywhere, like online, everywhere. I've also made rose boxes. Today, I challenged myself. I told myself, why can't I make an African themed rose box? This material is used for traditional weddings amongst the Kalenjin community in Kenya and the Kikuyu community in Kenya. So I know you guys were thinking it's my Rurashio or something. Yo, you gotta hold on for that one. Anyway, so I'm dressed in this material. This is used to make the dress for the bride. And this are cowrie shells. These cowrie shells are used on the cloth. They're stitched to the cloth to make it look pretty. So today, I'm about to show you something amazing, because today I'm about to make a rose box, something luxurious, something modern, using African material. I'm going to use this and this to pimp my rose box. So watch out, I got you. Stay tuned. What we're going to need for this DIY is a bouquet of roses. Yeah, I got mine from Karen Shopping Center. Those guys who sell apple, big up by the way, you guys are doing a good job. Anyway, yeah, I got my roses from there. The next thing we're going to need is definitely this material that I'm wearing. This material, I got it from Fire Station there downtown. Like, either way, if you go to any tailor and ask for like the material for Rasho or like the one for Koito, like just the material for Kalenjin traditional wedding or the material for Kikuyu traditional wedding, you'll be given this material. Then what I'm going to use is cowrie shells. These ones are a bit bigger than the ones I'm going to use. The ones I'm going to use are these ones. These ones are smaller. I'm going to use these smaller ones because I'm not using a big ribbon, so it will look cumbersome with the big ones. So I'd rather use this small one. This adhesive, this is UHU all-purpose adhesive. I'm going to use it for the fabric. It's very good adhesive. It works very well with fabric and several types of materials. Glass. It works with just about anything. The only problem I've had with it mostly is with paper and stuff. It doesn't stick because I don't know, it just does. I got this from Karen Provision Store in Karen Hadi Coast, to be precise. So now we're going to work on the material. This material is going to be used as a ribbon. So I'm going to use my tape measure, the cloth tape measure. Yeah, I'm going to use it to measure the size of the ribbon. I want to measure 4 inches, and then I'm going to measure 30 inches. 30 inches for my length, 4 inches for my width. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to make sure I want to make it like a band. So what I'm going to do to create my band, I'm going to measure 1 inch on the width and put a mark, yeah, and I'm going to measure also on the other side 1 inch and put a mark, yeah. If you find it too big, you can always reduce it. So now we're going to take our roses and we're now going to arrange our roses in our rose box. As you can see, I've already put in 2. I'm going to show you how I did that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a rose stem, yeah? So you're going to pick 1 rose stem, just like I've done. I've picked a white rose. I'm going to take this leaves off, and then I'm going to measure the rose with my box, yeah? Make sure it's popping out a bit kindly, so like make sure like this green parts are outside and then like the rest of the rose is inside the box. So you measure, and as you can see the rose reaches here. So that means I'm going to take my knife. I'm using a knife. You can use a scalpel, you can use a pair of scissors, but I prefer a scalpel or a knife. Scissors are not normally too good for your stem. So I'm using a kitchen knife, just a normal ordinary knife. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this rose, and when I cut it, I want to cut it in an angle. This is the angle I'm talking about. When you cut a rose, make sure you cut it at an angle, like not straight, not flat. Let it have an angle. This helps the plant, the flower, to be able to soak in the water, like to be able to absorb water so that it won't die. If you cut your rose flat, your roses will die very fast. So make sure you give it an angle. That's why you need a sharp knife or a sharp scalpel. Since we've cut the first one, so you're going to do that to all your roses. Just what I normally do, I use 1 rose to measure the others so that like it's easier and it's faster. So then I'm gonna just start placing the roses like inside the box. I wanted you to see the inside. That's the way the arrangement is. I've put 5 on each edge. As you guys can see right there on the table, the beautiful rose box is done. I guess you can't know that's my perfume box. Anyway, it looks nice, and now ready to decorate. You can see I have my band ready and I have my cowrie shells. My decor tape is somewhere on the table, but it's an African print decor tape. It's yellow and it has an animal print. So I'm going to put it at the top of the box, and I'm going to put one at the bottom of the box, and the band is going to be in the middle. So let's get to that, okay? I want to decorate the edges, this top edges and the bottom edges, with the decoration tape that's an animal print decoration tape. I want to use it to like decorate the edges. Yeah, this will give this box a more African look. You can do it after, you can do the decoration after, do it before, doesn't really matter, as long as you get it done. Let me now show you how it looks like that. So you're going to make sure the tape is at the top. However, make sure that the tape leaves a bit of pink so that it looks uniform, yeah? So I'm going to take it all around. I'm going to do it for the whole box, all around. Now as you can see right there, I'm done with the top. I've put the animal print all around. Isn't that decoration tape really beautiful? It's amazing. Anyway, so I put the decoration tape at the top, and now I'm going to make sure I do the same at the base. As you can see, at the base I have placed a cover. The cover that was the lid of the box, I have placed the lid of the box underneath the box to make it look more elegant. So at the top of that lid, I'm going to put the same animal print that I did at the top of this rose box. So there is the rose box when I've done the top and the bottom African print decoration. Oh, it looks very, very cultured. So I'm about to add the last touch of culture to this rose box. So this should be epic. I'm now going to take my band And now I need to attach this band right here. So I'm going to look for where the midpoint is. For me, I'm just going to eyeball it. This was actually my best part. I couldn't wait to do it. So yeah, I can't wait to add the cowrie shells onto the band. So what I'm going to be using to attach my cowrie shells is my favorite adhesive, UHU, all-purpose adhesive.
This African-themed rose box can be used as a centerpiece during events. It can also be used as a beautiful piece for interior decor in your living room or bedroom. This will make your living room or your event feel like a dream. So we've come to the end of this video. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss any of these awesome DIY videos.